Today, we're exploring the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and as you guys can see, it's just a giant building that is right behind me, and it's just leaning. I mean, it's pretty insane to even see that a phenomenon like this exists. Gravity is really a thing, but this building is defying gravity. I'm not exactly sure, but this might be one of the 7 national wonders of the world. I wonder if it is. Let me know down in the comments down below. But I mean, exploring this feels like this is one of the 7. And I mean, wow, the white marble right behind me just looks fantastic, magical, and mesmerizing. And it's not just me that's thinking that. It's thousands of people taking pictures right around it and taking the basic, like holding it over, you know, the defying gravity type pic, and wow, looks majestic. All right, guys, this is me pushing this amazing building very, very hard, and me acting like, you know, I'm pushing the Tower of Pisa down. That's another basic pose. This is a great pose that you guys are able to do right here when you come over here, but as you guys can see, let me know if I'm doing a good job right here. Now I'm gonna do the opposite side, all right. Alrighty guys, now it's me on the other side. This time around, I'm actually holding this building. This is another basic pose that people actually do. I'm holding this building right here in a way so, you know, gravity does not take this thing away. So beautiful pose. Let me know what you guys think of this pose down in the comments below.
Wow, I can barely do this. I'm struggling right now. Well, that is why I'm not doing it. So one of the fantastic things about coming to Florence, Tuscany is visiting Pisa, and this is actually the only excursion. What is it? Extraction? What's it? What's that word that I'm like?
What are you trying to say? Experience?
No, the only attraction.
Yeah.
This is the only attraction that there is to do out here in Pisa. So if you're gonna come see the Leaning Tower, make sure you have a cute little itinerary for more things to see, whether that's going to Lucca or Florence. There's so much things to see out here in Italy.
And just like that, guys, a second accomplishment right here in Pisa was actually able to happen right over here. We were able to take some fantastic pictures, very beautiful, basically leaning a little bit, looking very amazing, looking very cute, and great stuff happened. I mean, right here, lots of memories were made, and not just for us, for millions of people who actually visit Pisa right here. That just has a great time, and wow, I mean, what a beautiful building this is. I still cannot get over this thing. How it's leaning, I mean, how is it defying gravity? Makes no sense. Does it make sense to you? Let me know down in the comments below. Now this is a POV of people actually just taking random pictures with the Leaning Tower Pisa. Right now we're going to analyze the type of poses people are making right here. I mean, some people are doing Insta 360, some people are just holding this thing over. Other people are literally just, you know, being weird, having a great time, and wow, this is a leaner, baby. All my life, I always thought the Leaning Tower of Pisa was just a building in the middle of, you know, let's say a park. Well, it turns out it is not. It is actually right next to beautiful cathedrals. As you guys can see, beautiful architecture, Italian architecture that you can see right here, and also a little bit deeper as well. I mean, you guys can see that dome. That dome looks fantastic, very old, very medieval, and very beautiful. Let's go ahead and check these out. And just like that, guys, we have gotten closer to the beautiful architecture, and as you guys can see right behind me, the beauty of this architecture and the details here are just insane. And this is not even the cathedral that, you know, is kind of the main character. The main character is actually literally right behind me right now, and as you guys can see, oh my goodness, can you even believe the beauty that we're seeing? The sun is hitting it just at the right angle, and we're having a great time while we're, you know, checking this baby out. And wow, just look at the dome, look at the beauty, look at the architecture. All of that is ooh la la, baby. Oh my goodness, let's do it.
So we are right in front of the cathedral, and the sun is hitting perfectly. The sun is shining, and we got a better view of the architecture.